Hi and welcome to my video today. I will show you something about the Svanar Wireless Junior today. They are the smallest version of the Svanar Wireless lineup from Hifiman. So yeah, let's get right into it and start unboxing these. So here we are with the unboxing of the Svanar Wireless JR. As you can see behind the back, you just have a bit of information that it has a noise cancellation, that it has an ergonomic design, IPX5 and high fidelity sonics. So this is the box. Let's open it, I would say. All right, let's see what's in there without cutting myself. That would be good. There we go. Let's open it. Bit of movement here. Come on. Ah, there we go. All right. This are they. And as you can see, they have like a white finish, matte finish, and here is shiny. It's metal, I guess. You already have the ear tips. The little sensor is right there. Let's see. The charging case. Also, as you can see, I'm touching it wildly now. If there's fingertips, if you can see fingertips on it. But it seems to be really nice. No fingertips visible. Quite sturdy. There we go. And it says amplifier inside. We have a little button behind it that you can press. It's somehow really a bit difficult to open because of the shape. But earphones do have a lot of space in there. So you just put them in there like this. And there you see it's already starting to charge. Yes, quite nicely. So let's see what else is in the box. Just put it away. All right, here we are. It's the same with the LE version. Comes also with this weird Chinese pass, whatever. Here are the little ear tips in the size of S and M. For also foam tips. I quite like foam tips actually, because I like them better in my ear rather than this silicone. I personally use the size of S. I don't know, my ears are kind of small. Here you have the charging cable, USB-C. I guess you just put them here and you charge it. So this was the unboxing of these. Now let me tell you what I have experienced after testing them some time. So the junior version does have the LDAC codec inside them. For example, the LE version do not have this. But the LE version does have the Himalaya DAC inside them from Hifiman itself. But the junior version does have an AB amplifier inside. About audio qualities, I can tell you that the junior version is really quite smooth. So they are really fun sounding, effortless, and they have a great bass response. They have quite a punch with them. But also a quite important part, at least for me, was that the highs are a bit moved down, meaning they are not as bright as, for example, the LE version. I sometimes have the issue that if an earphone or headphone is too bright, it gets really fatiguing for me. I cannot listen for them a long time. Therefore, I kind of prefer the junior version a little bit because they are just not as bright sounding. and you can easily listen for them like a long time. But the LE version does have a little bit more soundstage and depth, so that's important to know too. I mean, the junior version does not feel enclosed at all, but they have less depth than the LE version. Also, the junior version has the Bluetooth 5.2, the same as the LE version. This reaches about 15 meters. The only time when I did have an issue with dropouts was really when I went 2 rooms away from my device. There was a really thick wall between us. Then there was a little bit of audio cutouts, but otherwise this was not an issue at all. Important to tell you also is that you really need to watch out which tips you put on them. So the tips that Hifiman did put in the box while delivering them, it's important that you test out all of them to see which of them fit you the best, because the sound does change a lot if you're not using the right tips with them. Another thing also is the touch sensors of these. So I can show you maybe. If you put them out like this, you often happen to touch the little buttons area here, and then they change the mode. So when you put them in your ear, you're like, why is it so different? That's because you probably hit the button by accident. But also when you have like them in the ear and you want to wiggle them a bit around or something, it can happen easily that you change the mode. So let's come to the mode actually now. So the transparency mode works, also the noise cancellation mode, but I do prefer actually the Hi-Fi mode because the sound just sounds a lot better. But the battery runtime is of course shortened if you use the Hi-Fi mode by 1 hour. So normally they last in Hi-Fi mode about 6 hours. That's of course shorter, but even though it's still 1 hour more than the LE version. And I would always say use the Hi-Fi modes because you want to actually get out of them everything that you can have. Also, another point is maybe durability. Yeah, it happened to me sadly already a few times that I accidentally dropped them on the ground. And yeah, they survived the fall, and even more, they did not have any damage on them. So that's really good that they can survive a fall if it happens. Yeah, let's come to an end now. I hope you have liked my video, and I would be very happy if you could hit the like and maybe even the subscribe button so I can make more videos for you in the future. And yeah, let's see you next time. Ciao.